Welcome to ServeAid Software Limited, your gateway to the world of software development excellence. We're here to empower you, whether you're a budding coder or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills. Our channel is your go-to resource for in-depth tutorials, hands-on demonstrations, and expert insights. But we're not just about code, we're about community. Join our vibrant community of developers, ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with fellow coding enthusiasts. And for businesses looking to transform their ideas into reality, we're more than just tutorials. We're your strategic partner in software development. At ServeAid Software Limited, we don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. Our team of skilled developers is ready to turn your vision into a powerful, functional reality. So, whether you're here to learn, collaborate, or innovate, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we'll master the world of software development. Thank you for joining the ServeAid Software Limited community. Let's code, connect, and create together. Welcome to the future of software development. ServeAid Software Limited, empowering developers, transforming businesses.